Hey there, and welcome back to Cosmic Crypto. In this video, we're going over EGLD. It looks like we hit our price target. Let's find out what's coming next. We're going to start off on the daily chart here. And from previous videos, we were looking at this triangle pattern that was forming. We broke out of the triangle pattern that has a price target of around $80 to $85. And in my last video, I said that it looked like we were about to break down to come back and retest the triangle, which is, let me zoom in. I haven't touched anything on this chart, and it looks like we retested it perfectly. Can we go lower? We sure can, but for right now, we got good support on the triangle that was previous resistance, and now turning into support, which is a good thing. Depending on what Bitcoin does this week and beginning of next week, that'll probably determine where EGLD goes, but the overall thesis here is we're going to bounce off this triangle, probably dance around a little bit, and then shoot up and finally break out of this very long-term channel that we've been in since back in November 25th of 2021. So yeah, once we can break out of this, I'm expecting us to come and retest this channel and then finally start working our way up and out of here. But right now, let's see. On the daily, we did hit the retest. And let's go down to the 6 hour. And the reason why I thought that this was coming was because of this head and shoulders pattern that was forming here. We had a left shoulder, large left shoulder, a head, and then a right shoulder. And we had broken down, and we were at that point testing, I believe we were either right around the breakout point or testing the 50 EMA. We also have the 20 crossing back down over the 50 EMA. So then we came down, we retested the 20, and just about retested the breakout, and came down, broke through the 200, which is the pink line here, and we've been trying to fight back above it. Had a little fake out here, but we got rejected off the 50 and the 20 and came down and tested. So what I kind of see going forward is we're going to probably bounce around here until possibly we get some positive news for Bitcoin. I think the FOMC meeting is today. It's probably going on right now as I'm talking. So by the time this video comes out, we'll all know what happened. But right now we got that perfect test. Probably going to bounce around. If we get some bad news or Bitcoin decides to take a dump, then I could probably see us coming down to our next target, which, in my opinion, would be around the $50 range. We'll break through, come back down to retest what was previous support for this triangle around the $50 to $55 range, right around here. And then hopefully, if it does fall through, we can find support there, bounce around a little bit more, and start shooting up from there. If you look at the RSI, we are falling, and we're falling in a falling wedge right here and right here. Again, this is on the 6 hour, so this is short term. Looks like we've got a little bit of room to drop even further. So I would imagine maybe we don't make it, maybe we do, maybe we come down a little bit more to retest this $57 range again, hit that bottom of that falling wedge again on the RSI, come back up. This is usually a bullish sign, so that's good. If we break out of this falling trend line here on the RSI, that's a good sign. Then that would mean that we had found the bottom of this retest and are possibly going to go forward again. The stochastic also is looking like we've got a couple of crosses on the stochastic in the bullish side, but we could dance around here a little bit longer. Like I said, it all depends on what Bitcoin's doing. So that's kind of where we're at for EGLD. That's a quick update. Let me know what you think of this video. Like the video, share it, and I'm not a financial advisor, just do it on his computer. Talk to you later.